I will just log in and show you how it looks like. So you can have some view on that. So as said, the project is the core here. So you can combine multiple users in a project, and you can also do multiple experiments in a project. So actually it's like a research topic. As I said, a master thesis can be a PhD thesis, but also like an EU project, a research project. So you define one project and all the experiments go into that single project. So that combines a bit your efforts. And so for instance, if I take this one, you will see that you then have an overview of different users. And you, if you created a project, you can actually upgrade users to an administration role. So you can remove members, you can allow members, etc. So that's all possible. So you have actually here the administrative side where you can control the people. So you also have a view on the experiments that you did. Maybe the running experiments, but also the experiments in the past. Because the interesting thing is sometimes you want to reuse, you said, well, last week I did an experiment, I had a certain topology, but I don't remember how to create it. Well, actually, all this is stored, and this is called resource specification. So it's actually, it specifies all the resources. I will come back to that. And you can download it from all the different experiments that you did in the past. If the experiment is still running, you see actually here a button open in JFET, and you can actually open immediately that experiment in JFET. So that's what can be done through this portal. And I started a specific project for today. So for instance, here you will see the project is called UNCNC, obviously. And then I have an expiration date on that, 8th of October. So for 4 months, you can actually use this. We have now 3 users in there. It's my 2 colleagues, Thijs and Wim. And we have done 0 experiments for now in there. But you can also have a specific, so the default thing is that you have an invite URL. So you can invite people by sending them this URL by email, and then they are able to join the project. You can also put it on auto approve. And so I will do this for this tutorial. And so actually, if I put this in the chat, you will be able to join this project. So if you want to join later on with JFET and do also some experiments, please click this link and you will be able to join this, this project for doing that experiments. So in the meantime, I will also upgrade my colleagues to administrator, and that's how it works. So that's where the portal is used for. So I think that's the most important thing here. Well, maybe one more thing. So you see here, I'm in 4 projects. It's also possible to request or join new projects. So for instance, if I want to create another project because I have another master thesis student or I'm involved in some other research topic, you just request a new project. The things that we are asking here is like the name of that project, some description, and the testbeds you want to use. So the mission works as follows. So if a new project is asked, then we as a portal administrator should admit that. So we need to process it and go through it. But if you ask another user to join one of your projects, you will be able to admit him or her. So that's how it works. So we actually distribute the processes here, and so we have some insights in how many projects are created. The reason is Sometimes it's not clear which testbed it will be used, and then we try to go into some interaction with the experimenter to say, well, maybe that experiment should use that testbed. It could be more useful. So that's how you ask for a new project. If someone else has created a project and you want to join it, then you can just say request to join a project, and you only need to put in the name. Of course, if you got that invite link through email or to something like direct messaging, you can also use that.